excited to have you here. While we were really sad not to have the event live in London, which allows us to have great unexpected conversations during breaks, we're happy to fulfill the mission of WID Stanford even more dramatically by having this huge international audience to share the women in data science who are leading the way. And we're going to have some really important groundbreaking conversations today about AI, ethics, new areas for applications of data science, or areas for greater depth of application of data science, all from women who are leading the way on these topics. We plan to provide you all with opportunities to collaborate on projects with others that are here today. There are, in particular, 6 of us right now who are voluntarily pulling together a project to help teachers of 16 to 19-year-olds who are having to stay home because of the virus and bring data science to life for these students. By featuring the work of women in data science, we're looking for volunteers to talk about their careers in short videos as a first project. If you're interested, please join our LinkedIn group, which can be found in LinkedIn by searching for WIDS space London. So WIDS London, it's a group in LinkedIn. If you request to join, we'll add you there and we can start working on these projects together. Hello from the WIDS London Organizing Committee. There's Berna, Patrice, Zaremba, Melissa, Tolu, otherwise known as Coders of Color, Lea and Assel. Hey everybody.